Hello viewers, how are you? I hope you're all fine. Today we're going to draw a cute little elephant using 9 dots. Let's start. First we put 9 dots here, 3, another 3, another 3 dots here. Let's start from the upper left corner. It will look like this. This is the head of elephant. It has a really long nose. This is the eye. Eyes are also bigger. Now let's connect with this one. It has a big teeth. We can put a shade on the teeth. Then let's connect these 2 dots. It's the front leg. We can also connect these 2 dots here and connect these two. If we connect these 2 dots, it will be the legs on the back, little bit bigger. And finally, we connect these 2 dots. If we put another legs so that it looks like the elephant is walking, we connect there, and another legs will appear here. This is the tail. The ear on the other side will appear here. Finally, these 2 dots, if we connect here, it will be the decorated clothings. For the people, these clothings are used for the people who sit on the elephant. It has little decorations and the flowers and the ornamentations here. We have something here in the legs. That's it. So the elephant looks like this one, and we did it using only the 9 dots. Now if we look it more lively and more interesting, then we can put some shades here like this. The elephant getting the 3D effect. Two legs are more visible here. Actually, shades makes a drawing more clear, more understandable, more amazing. After doing all these details, the drawing looks more lively. Now we can put the elephant on the road. Thanks for watching the videos. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for getting more updates. Thank you so much. Thank you all. Have a good day.